Today, I'll walk you through how to make columns in Notion, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create and customize columns so you can organize your information more effectively. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your database in Notion. If you're not sure where to find it, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Just look for the database you want to work with. Once you've located your database, the next step is to click on the plus sign beside your last column. This action will allow you to add a new column to your database. Find. Now, after clicking the plus sign, a menu will appear. Here, select text from the options provided. This will create a new text column where you can input any information you need. Next, it's time to rename the column based on your preference. Click on the column header and type in your desired name. This is your opportunity to customize the column to fit your project or workflow. If you need to add more columns, simply repeat the same step. Click on the plus sign again, select text, and rename it as needed. You can create as many columns as you like to suit your organizational needs. And there you have it. You've successfully created columns in Notion. This feature is incredibly useful for organizing your tasks, projects, or any information you need to keep track of. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.